In this question, they are saying the earth and moon are attracted to each other by a gravitational force. ठीक है. We know this, there is a force of attraction between earth and moon. ठीक है. So they are asking you, does earth attract the moon with a force that is greater or smaller or same as the force which moon attract the earth? Why? So look, here they are talking about earth and moon. ठीक है. Let's say here we have the earth, okay, and here we have the moon. So we know the size of the moon is comparatively smaller than the size of earth, so most of us will think that earth attract with more force as compared to the moon, and so on. These kind of perceptions can come in mind. But remember that what was the universal law of gravitation? The universal law of gravitation states that yes, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a definite force. Okay, so here the force is definite. What is the meaning of definite? Definite force means it's a fixed force. Okay, value will not change. So here the force is what? Fixed. So if you're going to check that the force of attraction between these two, तो इट इज गोइंग टू रिमेन सेम. ठीक है. सो दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में जो फोर्स होता है वो फिक्स्ड होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि एक बड़ा है एक छोटा है तो फोर्स विल बी वेरी. It's a definite force that is a fixed force. So yes, you can just give the reference of this universal law, and again you can state your answer. Does the earth attract the moon with the same force as the moon attract the earth? However, these forces are acting in an opposite direction. So as you can see, ये जो forces है, these both the forces are in opposite direction. Okay. So remember that the force between two object is fixed, that it's a definite force. Okay, neither it would be less nor it would be more, it will be equal, it will be same, the between both two. Okay, so the both will be attracting with the same force. The only thing is that it would be acting in an opposite direction. So I hope solution is clear to you all. In case if you have any doubt, so you can reach to us. Thank you.